Hi, Miss Villabeto. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I am Lori Jane Feren Villabeto, 25 years old, from Coronadal, South Cotabato, Philippines. I have single and live-in partner.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have two boys, 8 years old and 4 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers and I am the second child.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am high school level. I didn't finish my studies because my parents are separated and my grandmother cannot afford my tuition fee.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Saudi Arabia 7 months from July 28, 2023 to February 16, 2024, doing cleaning the house, wash the clothes, and also take care of 4 years old baby girl.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
No, ma'am, because I clean 4 houses, different houses of the family of my employer, and also take care of their children, which is not included in my contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, cheerful, and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have tattoo in my left hand, here and here.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to support my family and also my children.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of another children and children with tantrums?
I talk to them in a calm voice, ma'am.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.